Welcome to the heart of agricultural innovation, where the sun kisses the earth. Gen X Process unveils an epic journey.
Millions of vine-ripened tomatoes embark on a rapid transformation. From the soil to the factory floor. Inside the factory drops the freshest episode. Go deep inside a massive modern tomato factory. Watch millions of vine-ripened tomatoes go from field to finished product. Real time, no cuts.
Every single tomato is meticulously cleaned, ensuring purity. A vital first step in its transformation.
Advanced optical sorters meticulously inspect each fruit. Only the finest tomatoes continue their journey.
Blanching prepares them for peeling, a delicate process. The steam envelops, softening each vibrant sphere. Skins shed, revealing the pure, unblemished heart, ready for their next stage of transformation. From whole fruit to rich pulp in moments, the raw essence of tomato unleashed. Through a labyrinth of pipes, the rich tomato pulp flows. A liquid heart beating through the factory. The iconic condiment takes shape. Ketchup, crafted with precision, filling millions of bottles. From rich pulp to aromatic pasta sauce, each jar a promise of culinary delight, perfectly sealed. Diced, pureed, or whole, filling millions of cans with zero air, preserving peak freshness. From raw harvest to sealed perfection, the rhythmic dance of the canning line, ceaseless and precise. For sun-dried perfection, slices are meticulously arranged, preparing for a slow, flavor-intensifying transformation. Within controlled drying tunnels, the essence concentrates. Flavors intensify, creating culinary gold.
Sun-dried strip, a concentrated burst of flavor, a testament to time and careful processing. Crisp, innovative tomato chips emerge, a new snack sensation, born from precision and flavor.
The secret behind crystal-clear tomato jelly cubes lies here. Pressure and precision unlock transparency.
Multiple filtrations refine the liquid to absolute clarity. The essence, purified to perfection.
From liquid to shimmering cube, a rapid transformation. Precision cooling sets the stage for perfection. Sterilization tunnels ensure global safety and longevity. A critical step for worldwide distribution. Each product emerges pristine, perfectly sterilized, ready for its journey to tables worldwide. Robotic precision ensures perfect packaging. Every box sealed, every product secured for transit. Global cold chain export begins here. Millions of products, perfectly preserved, await their journey.
From our docks to every corner of the globe. A seamless network, delivering freshness worldwide. Across oceans and continents, our products journey. Reaching homes and kitchens, far and wide. Finally, on supermarket shelves worldwide. The journey complete, the flavor ready for you.
Pure factory satisfaction, the relentless rhythm of innovation. From raw material to finished marvel, in hours. It's Gen X Process. We open the factories the internet can't stop watching. Your new obsession awaits.
Robots work with unparalleled precision, ensuring every step is flawless, every product perfect. The heart of the factory beats with mechanical precision. a symphony of gears, tirelessly working.
From silky smooth to richly textured, every product a distinct culinary experience crafted for you.
Day and night, the factory hums with life. A ceaseless commitment to quality, around the clock.
Journey begins anew with nature's bounty, fresh from the vine, into the heart of innovation. High-speed brushes ensure every surface is immaculate, a testament to our unwavering hygiene standards.
Laser precision detects any imperfection. Only the finest tomatoes pass this rigorous examination. Enveloped in steam, the tomatoes prepare. A gentle heat preceding their transformation to pulp. Into the grinders, transformed. The raw essence of the tomato, ready for its culinary destiny.
Centrifugal force refines the pulp, separating for purity, enhancing texture and flavor. Evaporation concentrates the essence, intensifying flavors, creating a rich foundation for our products.
The heart of the tomato, concentrated. A potent paste, bursting with unparalleled flavor potential.
Here, culinary magic unfolds, blending the perfect balance of flavors for every unique sauce.
Rapid-fire precision fills every bottle. Ketchup, ready for its journey to your table. Securely capped, preserving freshness and flavor. Each bottle perfectly sealed, ready for enjoyment.
The final touch, iconic labels applied at speed, transforming bottles into branded culinary delights. From rich sauce to sealed jar, a seamless flow. Pasta sauce, perfected for your culinary creations.
Multi-packs, efficiently bundled. Ready for shelves, bringing convenience and flavor to homes. Sun-dried treasures, carefully weighed and sealed, preserving intense flavor for your culinary creations.
Dehydrated flakes transformed into fine powder. A concentrated burst of tomato flavor, ready for innovation.
The viral tomato jelly, a masterpiece of clarity and taste. Innovation transformed into edible art, delicately packaged for discerning tastes. The viral jelly, ready to captivate palates worldwide.
Entering the realm of cold chain preservation, ensuring every product maintains its peak freshness. Sub-zero precision, safeguarding every product. Our cold chain is an unbroken promise of quality.
Robotic precision stacks our products. Ready for efficient transport, a global logistical ballet. From our factory, across continents, the global journey of our products, connecting cultures. Traceability at every step. From field to shelf, we ensure quality and transparency you can trust.
Look, it's the Gen X processed ketchup. I love this one.
From gourmet kitchens to everyday moments, our products inspire. Taste the difference. Feel the passion. A beacon of innovation, powered by passion. Gen X process, shaping the future of food production.
From the intricate beauty of nature, our journey begins. Respecting origins, perfecting every step.
Beyond traditional fields, innovative greenhouses cultivate perfection, controlling every variable for superior taste. Sustainable irrigation nourishes our fields. Every drop a promise for healthy, thriving tomato plants.
Precision sorting, each tomato graded for its purpose, ensuring consistency across all our premium products. Perfectly diced, ready for canning, preserving the natural texture and flavor of fresh tomatoes.
Vast tanks hold our precious pulp, a reservoir of flavor, awaiting its final transformation. Dealing in the rich flavors. Our capping machines ensure every jar is perfectly secure. A touch of fresh basil, elevating our pasta sauce. Every detail crafted for an authentic taste.
Pasteurization ensures safety and extended freshness, a vital step for global distribution, rigorously applied.
Precision slicing transforms fresh tomatoes, creating the perfect foundation for our crispy, flavorful chips.
Crispy perfection emerges from the fryer. Golden tomato chips, a testament to innovative snacking.
Rapid cooling preserves peak quality, a vital step, ensuring product stability and freshness for transit. Every box meticulously labeled. Precision in logistics, guiding our products to their global destinations.
A global network in motion, connecting our products to your world. Efficiency redefined. Even at night, our commitment to hygiene never rests. Automated precision ensures a pristine environment. Every surface, every corner, meticulously cleaned. Our standard for hygiene is uncompromising.
The intricate network of our factory. A symphony of systems, precisely engineered for seamless flow. Innovation never stops. Rapid prototyping brings tomorrow's factory solutions to life, today. The digital brain of our factory, processing vast data, ensuring seamless operation and constant improvement. Exploring the future of agriculture, vertical farms, sustainable growth, right within our innovative ecosystem.
As you can see, our energy consumption is down, and we've achieved a 20% reduction in water usage this quarter alone.
Powered by the sun, fueled by innovation. Our commitment to renewable energy drives sustainable production.
Embracing the circular economy, transforming waste into valuable resources, minimizing our environmental footprint.
We need to secure the breach on level 4.
Watch out, incoming debris.
Activating the stabilizer now. Clear.
Gen X process, a beacon of innovation, illuminating the future of food. Join us on this incredible journey.
Taste the passion, savor the precision. Every product, a culinary masterpiece waiting to be explored.
This sauce is incredible. Honestly, the best we've ever had. Dad, tell the story about the vacation again.
Oh yes, that one always makes me laugh.
Eat up, everyone.
On the road to every destination, our trucks carry quality, delivering freshness worldwide, every day. Purity in every drop, freshness in every bite. A dedication to natural perfection, from seed to plate. Nature's bounty, swaying in the breeze. The origin of our promise, pure and untamed. From a single seed, an empire grows. The incredible journey, from tiny origin to global impact. Witness the power, the precision, the passion, the heart of Gen X process, revealed in every breathtaking detail.
This is Gen X Process. We open the factories the internet can't stop watching. Your new obsession awaits.
Inside the Factory, Tomato Episode. An unprecedented look at precision, passion, and unparalleled production. Discover more. Explore the unseen. Subscribe to Gen X Process for exclusive access. Your factory journey continues.